Alright, welcome to another tutorial. So in this tutorial I will show you how to use this background eraser. Don't bother about the name first or the icon first. If you search on Google Play Store, you are going to see a lot of background eraser, but this one that I'm about to show you is very good and doesn't reduce the quality of your image or any PNG file that you want to use on it. It doesn't reduce it. So the first thing that you do, at the end of this tutorial I will show you the picture so that you can go online and download it and start using it. So the first thing we do is that we click on the load image, and this we are going to use this image. Whenever I downloaded PNG like this and it doesn't come with no background, this is what I do. So I just copy it to my desired. I use it to remove logo backgrounds and all of that. So click on done, and we have extract, auto, we have magic, we have manual, repair, zoom, and I used to use this auto. So if you click on auto now and you click on this white, it's going to remove every white on this surface. Can you see? So the one that is blocked with black, it will not remove it. So it has removed it. So you click on this again, this box, to remove it. Click on this box, it will remove it. It will remove this too. So like that. If there are numerous things like that, you remove it individually and your work is done. It's perfect. So let me use this magic and see how this magic works. Let me undo it. So this is how magic works. If you put it on black, on white, you will be removing that white. Can you see now? This one too is good, but that if you want to remove something like this, just go for this auto, and you can use manual too. Manual is you just be erasing it yourself, and let us erase it and let us save it. Let us use this auto because for this tutorial you use auto. You remove it, 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 you remove it. So you are done. You can click on done at the top right corner here. This is smooth. After you have finished everything, you can smooth it. Can you see? You can smooth it, but you can leave it at 2 or 1. This is okay. Then you click on save. It's already saved. Click on finished. The work is done. So let me use it to remove a picture background too, so I can see that you can use it to remove picture background. Let me click on this picture. If you have a picture that has a solid background, it's going to be very perfect, but if it doesn't have a solid background, you will not have a perfect one. So I click on this auto again and I click on this. Can you see that it has removed that solid background that you can find on this? So since it has removed the solid background, then it remains all these spots. So let us click on this. Let us click on this magic, so we can make use of this magic now. Let me increase the size of the brush so that we can have a perfect work. Alright, can you see that everything has been removed? So you click on done, then you click on smooth. So it's going to smooth the edges, and you click on save. So your work has been perfectly saved. If the background, let me show you another picture. If the background has a solid background, it may be so difficult for you. If it doesn't have a solid background, rather, it will be so difficult. Like something like this. It's something like this now. You can remove it easily. But if it doesn't have a solid background like this, I have another video on how to remove background that you are going to be using. Can you see that this is not a solid background? That's why you are having all this kind error. So I have another video. Just check the description below. I'm going to send a video on how to remove background like a pro. but this one is just a shortcut that doesn't use data. It doesn't, just a shortcut to remove PNG, to turn your picture to PNG, like logos and all of that. So thanks for watching. Let me show you the picture of the image. Let me show you the image of the, so this is it, background eraser. Can you see? Just go to Play Store and download. Whenever you see this icon, download it and start using it. God bless you. Thanks for watching.